Hello students. Today I am going to discuss with you the growing importance of financial management to business. Till now I have discussed with you the meaning and definition of financial management, functions of financial management, scope of financial management under traditional approach and modern approach. This is the last concept of this chapter, that is importance of financial management to business. There is a huge importance, as we have studied in the scope of financial management. They have divided into traditional and modern. If you see the modern approach, the financial management is a very crucial for the organization. We have to take up or we have to depend on financial management to carry on the business effectively. So there is a huge importance of financial management in business, planning and controlling of our financial stability and to keep you away from bankruptcy. So in order to keep you away from the financial instability, to protect the company against the finance, it is very important to manage it. So in the financial management, they have clearly explained us of various concepts and techniques of financial management. The first point under the growing importance is financial planning. See, the first step of any project, any business starts with planning. So how to plan, when to plan, how to raise the money, from where to raise the money, what are the sources, etc. has to be planned. And this planning will be facilitated through financial management. So financial management, its importance in financial planning. It decides each financial necessity associated with business concern. Also, financial planning associates needs to take, promotes and correct measures instead of worries in the later stage of financial management or life cycle of the company. Financial planning looks a crucial area associated with business concern. It is very crucial area. Planning, if the planning is perfect, then they can proceed to the later stage of a business. So to plan this, especially financing plan, they need the help of financial management. That is how to raise, when to raise, at what amount to raise, from where to, so which are the sources to be raised. The answer for all these questions can be answered through financial management. So financial management helps in financial planning, that is financial aid. That is, success of any organization depends upon its planning, and financial planning usually depends upon financial management. So that is the first point under financial, that is financial planning. Next is safeguarding or protecting funds. Importance of financial management include protecting finance towards business goals. See, your funds has to be safeguarded because it is not your funds. You are raising the funds from different sources. It might be of different banks. You have raised the money. You have to repay them from the society, from the public, from the friends, from the society, from the mutual fund or from venture capital. Wherever you raise, you have to return the money to them. So it is very important to safeguard. It means to protect the funds of your business. To protect in the sense you invest in the right way or a right source, so that you get a good return and you can return the amount to with whom you have taken the money. So to take up the proper decision where to invest, when to invest, this can be guided through financial management. So one has to measure the areas where funds are required and allocate it well in all the areas for smooth functioning of business. Overspending on one project and impact on other business operation, as they may lack finance in many cases. It is crucial to safeguard the funds and invest wisely. So they have to invest very cleverly, very carefully, because if its decision goes wrong, then it affects the whole business. So to make a proper decision about the protecting, raising the funds and distributing to the various allocated areas, it is very important for the financial manager to invest the money to the various sources. Okay, let us see the next point, that is allocation of funds. That is, Once the funds are being raised, it has to be allocated. Now where it has to be allocated, what are the sources it has to be allocated, that has to be decided. Importance of financial management is one of the is allocation of funds appropriately and wisely. They have to allocate the funds so wisely, so appropriately, so that the importance of the financial management can be assessed by the user properly. Now funds are to be allocated, as you know, the funds has to be distributed through various assets. It may be the purchase of fixed assets. Under fixed assets we have different assets. How to allocate the funds so that we get an effective results from it. From where to purchase the machinery, or from where to purchase the fixed assets, how much amount of fixed assets to be purchased, all these decisions has to be taken with the help of the finance manager. So finance manager take the help of the financial management, wherein they cost and benefit structure can be used, or NPV values can be used to determine whether to accept those projects or to reject those projects. So these allocation of funds becomes a basic idea for financial management. Financial management is its main role is not only to distribute the profit or to raise the money, but also to allocate the funds to the various areas which is needed for the development of the business. So this is what we study under allocation of funds. Next is investment opportunities. The next point is fourth point, investment opportunities. We have different investment opportunities. They are gold investment, or investment in mutual fund, property, land, etc. So each avenues, each opportunities have their own benefits and drawbacks. So while assessing where to invest, which to invest, and which sources to invest, and which assets to be invested, they have to take the decision properly. There are several opportunities might be available for the concern. It has its own risk. Okay, depending upon the risk availability, risk capability, they have to invest their money in different opportunities. Some of the opportunities may be available for only for few days or few seconds or few hours. So you have to take the opportunities to you have to grab those opportunities. So proper decision has to be taken at proper time. Okay, so these decisions can be assisted by financial management. As a person, if you are good at managing your finance and saving, then you get opportunities to explore investment. Investment opportunities will assist in creating wealth so that you can enjoy your retirement period. There are various investment opportunities you can explore, like investing in stocks, gold, mutual fund, property, land, etc. These are the different avenues available to invest their funds to different sources. So these are the various opportunities available wherein you can invest your funds and get the money. Okay. So depending upon your risk ability, you can choose the appropriate investment option because of the availability. The different options are available. Financing decisions. And the next point is financial decision. Financial decision is very important in the business concern, as of where to invest. That is, once the business financial choice regarding to the business concern has made, it can be rewind, as the finance once spent will not be repaid again for any wrong decision made. Financial selection might impact the whole business concern, since it has an instant relationship with all the department of a company. For example, production, advertisement, rent, salary to human resource, etc. So these are the opportunities available, decisions taking available, wherein the proper decision about the finance can be taken. So these can be helpful for various other areas. Now let us see the next point, that is economic growth and stability. In order to grow, in order to maintain a stability in the organization, it is very important to create a wealth. Proper financial planning is very essential for the growth. So once the company starts developing or growing, it has to grow gradually, eventually up and up. So in order to grow more and more, they need to invest their funds very carefully, very wisely and very intelligently. So how they can invest those funds very intelligently? Through various sources which will help to grow the financially. Important things in someone's life is financially stable. Only way to ensure financial stability is through economic growth, and only option to ensure the same is through financial management. So it has to be ensured that all your plannings get entrusted and wealth is created, and it has to be distributed to the various sources. Next is improve standard of living. Once you have learned and taken a good knowledge on financial management, this will not only provide your financial stability and peace of mind, but also it will improve your standard of living. Your economic growth will transform into a better standard of living. So what happens is planning, opportunities, financial decision, all these are taken very carefully and wisely, and once wealth is created, it has to be distributed. Now the various areas of distributions to be made, where the standard of the living of the people improves and it creates a good impact on the organization. So that is one of the way where the importance of financial management increasing nowadays. Valuation of a company. A company has to be valued, okay, on the basis of which the company has to be valued. There are various sources wherein the companies are valued. The importance of financial management in an organization in the area of enlarging the variety of speculators and the business concern. Extreme point concerning of any business is that they will achieve maximum gain with better, greater efficiency. So the companies are valued. How it is to be valued? There are various resources to be valued. So it plays a very important role in the business concern to be noted. Now there are various areas also wherein the valuation of the company is being used. It has been related to increasing production or expanding business to other countries. A great management and financial specialist can assist in improving the valuation of the company. That is nothing but the market value of the concern. The market value of the concern or a business can be known only through valuation of the company. That is when you assess the value in the market, in the share price, it will be like increasing, decreasing. The area where the fluctuation in the prices will be there. It also suggests the value of the company, that is how much wealth they have created. Let us see the next point, that is tax planning. Tax planning. Your financial planning should also include tax planning. When failing to plan your taxes appropriately, it will lead you spend more out of your pocket. For example, if you can analyze that current financial year you will be spending less on tax, but in the next year you are likely to pay heavy tax, then you should manage your budget and saving accordingly. This will help you towards the economic growth, and else you will run out of cash and may lead to disturbance in your investment decision. Tax has to be planned because every year, the financial year, the tax will be paid on the income. They have to calculate income in advance, tax to be taken in advance to know the financial position of the concern. It is through tax appropriate payment they can come to know what are the various areas, what are the various concerns, and what are the various decisions to be maintained. And through this, which the fiscal year as well as current year, there is a lot of uh, standing or ovations between these, which can be proclaimed or which can be interrogated through tax planning. Now there are various interrogation which is being made towards the cash planning, tax planning. If in the current financial year, if you are paying less tax, okay, but in the current next year your tax payment will increase. Mostly your income may increase, your investment revenues may increase. So accordingly, you should plan so that you get a greater deduction in your income from the tax deduction, so that the tax amount can be saved. Otherwise, there will be a shortage of cash, and you may not be able to pay it, and there will be a huge disturbance in your investment decisions. Next is capital reserves. Money have always been imaginable and possible really when the business earning rises to higher levels and expansion arises. Here is an importance of financial management in the success of business by the way of expanding as well as creating capital reserves in the book of company's account. It has to be created through various business accounts, and then it has to be recreated through the reserves of the company. Next is what are the to see overall areas. It gives a lot of importance to financial management. It provides you a financial stability, improve your standards of living, give you peace of mind, and keep your financial stress free. All this can happen only through the proper allocation of financial management. Okay, so these are the several points covered under financial management. Okay, thank you for the thank you for all this the efforts made for all these things to be disclosed to you, the importance and the growing importance of financial management. We are to the end of this chapter, that is the first chapter, introduction to financial management, wherein the scope of financial management is very important here, where both traditional as well as modern. Thank you.